Good afternoon. God bless you and your entire family. The purpose of this video, I finally had the time to remove the driver's side valve cover to try and, in an attempt to locate the source of the engine noise. I chose the driver's side because that's where the noise, to me, is coming from. And the valve cover removed. Rocker shaft 1, rocker shaft 2, but it's really what would it be here? Rocker shaft 1, rocker shaft 3, but I'm not gonna go through that. You guys know what I'm talking about. I recently woke up. This is my first time having a full conversation at all. No movement, no movement, no movement, no movement at all. No movement. No movement. Movement. No movement. Now, this tab, I call it a tab. It's been broken for a couple of years, but I've always checked. This never moved. Sirisaac Newton, Mr. Jamie Newton, he alerted me to, he brought to my attention the tab. I commented on Facebook stating that the tab has been like this for a couple of years. So once he stated that, if I were him, he'd definitely have that replaced / changed. Something told me to try moving it, and this is what I get. This has never happened before. I've changed the intake manifold gasket a few times, and I always play around with this. Remove chips of paint, blase, check everything. But this is what's going on. Not to say it's the source of the engine noise that's shown in my prior video to this. But I'm gonna definitely have this taken care of. I'm gonna do it myself. I'm gonna call TA Performance in a few minutes and inquire about this. And in closing, my 494 cubic inch stroker Stage-1 motor is about 3 weeks away of being put together. The only holdup was the Pistons. Mr. Weiss had to order those. They're about 2.5 weeks away from being delivered to his shop at Tri-Share Performance. Also, the intake manifold, SPX aluminum intake manifold from TA Performance. That has been on back order for quite some time. They began machining them already. And TA Performance told me a couple of days ago that within 3 weeks, SPX intake manifolds will be available for shipping. Peace and love. God bless you all. And I thank you very much for your subscription time, expertise, advice, and help. God bless.